green and the long brick walls. On the paths and highways empty now, 'cause it's dark and it's late and the rain falls. Out on the sea in a storm it falls, on liners large and sailboats small, on the quays and harbours full up now, 'cause it's wild and it's wet and the rain falls. High on the hills, on the herds it falls, on cattle and sheep and horses' stalls, on the crofts and farmyards locked up now, 'cause it's cold and it's drear and the rain falls. Here in the hollow of my heart it falls, on my dreams and desires and time, how it crawls across the face of the days, so empty now. You are gone, I'm alone, and the rain falls. Out on a seed in the ground it falls, and in that seed the tree trunk tall, oh, the buds and the leaves and the branches all, for the sun they wait, they're hidden now, like my heart waits while the rain falls.